Hello, we'd like to introduce you to the new paintbrush clip, the best way to hang a paintbrush in a paint bucket. Painters are loving it. The clip is made of stainless steel, making it rust-proof to last you for years. The clip is very flexible and can fit many different size brush handles. The brush clip easily snaps on and off, making it easy to use with multiple brushes. Simply remove the clip and attach it to another brush. It's small and compact as to not interfere or get in the way when using the brush. It's been field tested and approved by painters of all skill levels. No more dealing with the hassle of attaching hooks, bent nails, and other fasteners onto your brushes. Attaching fasteners can be a hassle. It also makes it difficult to place the brush sleeve back onto the brush for storage. They get in the way, but the brush clip can easily be removed, allowing you to place the sleeve back onto the brush. Attach the clip to the brush handle again and it will be there the next time you use the brush. The clip also adds to your safety when working from a ladder. It gives you a convenient place and easy way to rest your brush, freeing your hands to hold onto the ladder, especially when climbing up or down. That alone is worth the price of the clip. And constantly buying fasteners to install on every brush you use can be costly in the long run. Save money, time, and work safely. Use the brush clip. Order yours now online on our website at toolsolutionsandproducts.com, also soon on Amazon. The clip will also be available for purchase at hardware and paint stores near you. Happy painting!